about a year ago, we had two separate departments, one of them being the engineering department, which had about 40-some people involved in that department, and then we had the public works department, which is the maintenance part of all of our capital infrastructure. With the merger, to try to streamline operations, obviously, and pursuant to actual council directive, we merged the two departments together. So now myself, I am not only public works director, but city engineer. We have an emergency management division. We also have a Keep Port St. Lucie Beautiful division that works for the city. We also have what's called our Npdes program, which is the National Pollution Elimination Discharge Program, all about water quality throughout the city. When I moved here, there were 30,000 people here. Now there are 165,000 people here. One of the elements is, where are these people going to traverse? How are they going to make it to work or to other places to enjoy? And we only have so much availability as far as larger right-of-ways that we can actually widen in the city. Our city's 50 years old now. It's a little over 50 years old. So a lot of our infrastructure may be a little failing. We have some culverts that fail every year. We have to go out and replace them. Some of them are pretty extensive and large. So in our budgets, we budget for things to replace that may be experiencing damage or failure. We also regulate development. We have a portion of that. If somebody comes in and wants to develop a site, we would make sure that they create the proper parking lot and drainage, things of that nature, and meet our codes and get the proper permits to build. We do the underground stormwater drainage and the paving and the curbing. We do sidewalks, and as funding becomes available, we're trying to put sidewalks throughout the city wherever we can. And the first places we're focusing are on the school districts, around the school areas where the kids are walking within that 2-mile radius. All of that new infrastructure is what we build and we design and build for. But then I have a division now, the Public Works division that's under me, that actually maintains all of that as well. All of your streets and your signals, street lighting, any roadway improvement projects, if we go out and mill and resurface a road in your neighborhood, that would be the Public Works Department. We're now called the Public Works Department. The signing and striping, all those signs you see, stop signs, that's all part of our division as well. The maintenance also includes, for instance, putting in all the swale liner you see throughout the city. We talk a lot about the roadway improvements and traffic, but another huge component is our stormwater improvement program and maintenance. We're responsible for all of the maintenance of all of the stormwater conveyance systems throughout the entire city. You can only imagine how difficult and time-consuming that is, but we do have the machinery to go out there and do it, and we do it on a regular basis throughout the city. It's exciting, and we have a great staff, and we have very talented people that really know what they're doing and are very proactive. I think the merger was a good thing because I do believe that when you're talking about capital infrastructure, it's kind of like soup to nuts. You need to plan it, you need to think outside the box how you're going to build it, you need to get it built, and then you need to maintain it. So it really sort of all does fall together. So if we're all talking to each other as one division and one unit, it makes a lot more sense and streamlines operations, and it seems to really be working very well.